Hey there! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of designing an interactive crypto mobile app using MockFlow. MockFlow makes wireframing a breeze with its collection of ready-to-use UI kits. Just drag and drop elements into place, it's that simple. In this video, we'll be using MockFlow's Crypto App UI Kit. This kit comes packed with pre-built components, helping us design faster while keeping everything professional and user-friendly. To maintain consistency and efficiency, we'll start by creating a master page, a reusable framework for multiple screens. This approach saves time and keeps all app pages uniform. We'll use a pre-designed status bar from the UI kit to display device status and a bottom navigation bar for smooth in-app navigation. Building on the master page, we'll design the home screen for the crypto app. This screen acts as the central hub, allowing users to quickly access key information such as their portfolio balance, recent transactions, market trends, and popular cryptocurrencies. To bring the home screen to life, we'll first add the top navigation component, including a profile icon for quick user access. Then, we'll introduce a wallet card from the Other Elements section, displaying the user's balance in a visually appealing way. Next, we'll integrate key functionality elements like send and receive money from the tabs component in the Other Elements section, making transactions smooth and efficient. We'll also incorporate an asset list component, which will allow users to view their investment portfolio at a glance. Moving on, we are going to design the wallet screen using the master page as a template. Here, we'll include the My Wallet component from the Page Pop-ups section, showcasing balance details, investment history, and deposit records for a clear financial overview. Now, let's focus on the Trading Detailed page, where users can track real-time market trends and execute trades. This page will provide an in-depth view of buying and selling coins, including price trends and historical data. On the Detailed Trading page, we'll enhance the user experience by incorporating an overview component that graphically displays highs, lows, and trading values. Additionally, an order booking list will provide insight into past transactions, and a buy-sell button will allow seamless cryptocurrency trading. All these mobile app screens are designed within the MockFlow Wireframe Pro editor, ensuring a smooth and efficient wireframing process. To make the wireframe interactive, we'll add interactions. Start by selecting the home icon, then choose mouse click as the trigger action. Next, set the action to go to page, linking it to the home page. We'll repeat this process for the trade and wallet pages, allowing users to navigate between them effortlessly. Finally, explore your wireframe in view mode. Tap Trade for detailed trading insights, click the wallet icon to access the wallet page, and return to the home screen by clicking the home icon. With MockFlow's prototyping feature, your wireframes transform from static designs into an interactive, engaging experience. And that's a wrap on designing an interactive crypto mobile app with MockFlow. Rocket with just a few clicks, we transformed static wireframes into a dynamic, user-friendly prototype. Now, it's your turn to bring your crypto app vision to life.